Vartech provides innovative products and differentiating services for mutually beneficial growth, together with all of our strategic partners. Easy Sensor Classic is the most reliable and largest selling intraoral sensor. Please allow us to show you the installation process of the most preferred and dynamic intraoral sensor in the world. Once you open the box, you would find Easy Sensor Classic Intraoral Sensor Unit, silicone cover, sleeves box containing 100 of hygiene sleeves, wall mount holder for sensor unit, manual guide, console CD, software pen drive with 5 original license keys. The wholly owned company's in-house developed easy-to-use software provides the useful tools that boost the usage of effective treatment planning for your patients. To install this software and proper working, recommended PC configuration. Let's begin the installation. Before installation, you need to do some minor changes in the settings of computer. Turn off Windows Firewall. Change user account control setting. Never notify. Steps to disable antivirus. On the taskbar, where you see the time on bottom right side of the screen, click to see all icons and on the icon of antivirus. Right-click mouse and click on Disable Protection, and it will show option Disable till next restart. So let's get started. Plug in the pen drive in the USB port of your PC. Open the setup.exe file in pen drive and click on Server button and proceed to install. Before we proceed further, we would like to share some important information that in case you are using more than one computer for your practice, you would be making one computer as server and all others will be clients, to a maximum of 4. Since we are making this demo for server, let's click Easy Server button and then on Next button. Wait for next window to appear on screen. It will show details to choose destination location C/program file x86/Vartech. Please don't change the path of the software. Click on Next and wait for next upcoming window of Easy Server. Now the installed Shield Wizard has successfully installed. Click on Finish to exit. Now, in Consultation Data Setup. On Consult Data, install Shield Wizard window. Now, in Implant Database, install Shield Wizard Setup. Just click on Next and wait for upcoming window. Now click on Select All on left bottom corner and click on OK. Implant data has successfully installed. Just click on Finish. Easy Server installation done. Easy Dent Eye consultation software installation. This is most easy to learn and use software for effective dental practice. After installation of all above, Easy Server and console,